From factories and FMCG production lines to healthcare diagnostics and logistics networks, AI and machine learning are driving decisions that were once the domain of intuition, inspection, and manual oversight. Choosing the right machine learning or deep learning library has become almost as critical as solving the problem itself. With Python offering a universe of libraries, TensorFlow, PyTorch, Scikit-learn, OpenCV, YOLO, Spacy, Hugging Face, FastAPI, Pandas, and so many more, every data scientist or engineer faces a tough question. Which library should I use for my industry problem? This is not just a question of syntax or speed, it's about scalability, domain fit, hardware compatibility, and deployment readiness. Of the AI and ML libraries, we'll decode which Python and AI libraries are best suited for which industry verticals, how they stack up in real-world use, and what you should never use them for. 1. Manufacturing, where vision meets precision. If there's one industry that perfectly embodies AI at the edge, it's manufacturing. Every millisecond matters, every defect counts, and every decision must be explainable. In a typical automotive plant, thousands of vehicles pass through inspection bays daily. Each has its own unique configurations, VIN plates, engine types, and variant identifiers. For computer vision and quality control, libraries like OpenCV, for real-time image processing, contour detection, and edge analysis. YOLO, Detectron 2, Ultralytics, for object detection and classification on production lines. TensorRT or Onyx Runtime, for deploying optimized models on edge devices like Jetson or Coral. Use case example, detecting packaging defects, validating label positions, or identifying incorrect assembly parts. Why these libraries? They're lightweight, GPU optimized, and compatible with industrial-grade cameras and PLCs. For predictive maintenance and sensor data libraries like Scikit-learn, for anomaly detection and regression models on sensor data. Profit or DARTs, for time series prediction of machine failures. PyTorch Lightning, for scalable deep learning if the dataset is large. Use case example, predicting conveyor motor failure or identifying abnormal vibration patterns. Integration tip, combine FastAPI plus MQTT to stream inference results from edge to cloud dashboards. 2. FMCG, speed, accuracy, and compliance. Fast-moving consumer goods demand not just speed but traceability and compliance, from batch codes to packaging integrity. Each package on the conveyor must carry accurate labels, correct batch codes, and undamaged seals, small details that protect brand reputation and regulatory standing. For label and code validation libraries like EasyOCR or Tesseract OCR, for reading alphanumeric codes. OpenCV, for region detection and image cleanup before OCR. Regex and Pandas, for post-processing and validation against database entries. Use case example, verifying if the printed batch code matches the ERP data or ensuring expiry date visibility. For packaging integrity and defect detection libraries like YOLO 8, Efficient Det, for detecting dents, leaks, or seal defects. Albumentations, for image augmentation during model training. Why it fits? The FMCG sector thrives on throughput. These libraries offer high FPS, frames per second, performance even on mid-tier GPUs. Industry insight. Combine YOLO 8 plus FastAPI plus OpenCV for an inline packaging inspection pipeline that integrates directly with SCADA or PLC systems. 3. Healthcare, where accuracy saves lives. Healthcare demands precision, interpretability, and strict data compliance, HIPAA, GDPR. Here, we balance deep learning power with explainability. Every AI prediction must be both accurate and explainable. Whether it's classifying X-ray scans or analyzing patient records, trust and compliance are paramount. For medical imaging and diagnostics libraries like MANI, Medical Open Network for AI, tailored for medical imaging workflows. TensorFlow plus Keras, for CNN-based MRI, CT image classification. GradCAM, LIME, for visual explainability. Use case example, tumor segmentation, fracture detection, or diabetic retinopathy identification. For predictive analytics and health monitoring libraries, Scikit-learn, for smaller clinical datasets. PyTorch TabNet, for tabular health record modeling. Hugging Face transformers, for analyzing clinical text or lab reports. Integration note. Use FastAPI for secure REST endpoints and Docker for containerized hospital deployments. 4. Finance and banking, decoding risk and fraud. This is an arena where milliseconds mean millions, and every prediction must be auditable. AI today serves as their shield and sword, defending against fraud while optimizing risk and investment strategies. For fraud detection libraries, Scikit-learn, for ensemble models like random forest and XGBoost. TensorFlow probability, for probabilistic modeling and uncertainty estimation. PyTorch, for rapid prototyping of classification models. Use case example, detecting abnormal transactions or money laundering patterns. For NLP, for document intelligence libraries like Spacey, Hugging Face Transformers, LangChain. For extracting insights from KYC forms, contracts, or policy documents. FAISS, Pinecone, for document vector search in compliance audits. Goal: automate repetitive review processes with high accuracy and traceability. In regulated industries, always use explainable AI models. Pair predictive models with SHAP or LIME visualizations. 5. Retail and e-commerce, personalization and visual search. Retail AI thrives on recommendations, inventory insights, and visual experiences. The art of showing the right product to the right customer at the right time. For recommendation systems libraries like Surprise, LightFM, TensorFlow recommenders, for building personalized recommendation models. Pandas plus NumPy plus Scikit-learn, for preprocessing and baseline models. Use case example, predicting next likely purchase based on browsing and buying history. For visual search and product tagging libraries like Clip, OpenAI, plus Phase, for embedding-based product matching. YOLOV8 for object and fashion item detection. Integration tip: use Streamlit for creating quick demo dashboards before full deployment. 6. Agriculture, precision at the pixel level. AI in agriculture is a story of pixels and patterns. Drone imagery, soil sensors, and weather stations generate vast datasets that, when analyzed correctly, can transform crop management. For crop health and yield prediction libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch plus ResNet, UNet architectures, for aerial image segmentation. GDAL plus Rastereo, for geospatial image processing. DARTS, Profit, for yield and weather forecasting. Use case example, detecting pest infestation, water stress, or crop maturity via drone imagery. Hardware edge, NVIDIA Jetson Nano or Xavier NX often used for deploying on drones or edge servers. 7. Logistics and mobility, efficiency through vision and data. In logistics, AI ensures that everything, from vehicles to parcels, moves efficiently and predictably. For vehicle detection and routing libraries, YOLOV8, Detectron2, DeepSort, for vehicle detection and tracking. NetworkX plus Google OR tools, for route optimization. Use case example, vehicle classification in entry bays or route planning in delivery fleets. For predictive fleet maintenance libraries like Scikit-learn, PyTorch, for time series maintenance prediction. FastAPI plus InfluxDB, for serving and visualizing real-time performance. Goal: reduce downtime, improve utilization, and bring visibility across the fleet. 8. Cross-industry enablers, the hidden heroes. While each industry has its heroes, some libraries act as universal enablers. No matter which industry you're in, these libraries form the backbone of your AI stack. Every successful AI system can be broken down into 5 phases: data, model, integration, deployment, monitoring. The future of AI won't be about building everything from scratch. It will be about assembling the right modules with precision and insight. At Avizops, our philosophy is clear: don't just apply AI, architect it intelligently.